Hi, today's lesson is about statements in the simple past tense. Last night I watched a movie on TV. It started at 7 and ended at 9. The movie was in French. It didn't have subtitles, so I didn't understand everything, but I enjoyed it. Look at these affirmative sentences. Notice the regular past verb forms. Last night I watched a movie on television. It started at 7 and ended at 9. I enjoyed it. Regular verbs in the simple past end in ed. Now look at the negative sentences. It didn't have subtitles. I didn't understand everything. To make negative statements in the simple past tense, we use the contraction didn't or the long form, did not. The forms are the same with all subjects, singular and plural. Now let's study the spelling of regular past tense affirmative verbs. For most verbs, we add ed in the past form. For example, watch becomes watched. When the verb ends in e, we add d. For example, like becomes liked. When the verb ends in one vowel and one consonant, we double the consonant. For example, stop becomes stopped. When the verb ends in y, we change the y to I and add ed. For example, study becomes studied.